Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your Windows PC. We all know cameras on most laptops are mostly bad, so this makes a big difference. And also if you're using a desktop computer which normally doesn't have a camera, this should also work for you. You can use it for your video calls and meetings, live streams and so much more. So let's dive right in. First, head to your browser and then head to camo.studio. So you can see this software works for both Windows and macOS, but we are downloading it on our Windows PC. So click on download for Windows and it should start downloading. While it is downloading, we also have to download it on our mobile device. So now head to Apple Store and then search for Camo. And you can see over here Camo webcam for Mac and PC. So let's download. So let's also install on our PC. So let's close our browser, open our download folder and then run Camo. Accept the terms, install. And then click on finish to launch Camo. Okay, so here we go. Now there are two ways you can use Camo. You can either use a USB or connect wirelessly. So I'm going to connect wirelessly with Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do is connect my phone and my PC to the same network and then click on connect a device. Now let's open Camo on my phone. Click on continue and then accept all the terms there, just okay, and then click on get started. Now you can see this button by the side over here, Wi-Fi. I'm going to click on it and then I will scan the QR code on my screen, and once you do that it should connect. So you can see my video has been paused. So on my screen on Camo Studio over here I can just hit play and here we go. This is the live feed from my phone which I can control from here. So I can switch from the wide camera to selfie and here we go. So now you can actually put this up on a tripod and then use it to record your video meetings and whatever you want. Now you can also see a Camo watermark by the side. You can actually remove this without any issue. So all you have to do is scroll down here under overlay over here, select this blank, okay, and that is all. Now it is free, but if you really want a higher quality then you have to pay for it, but you can still use 720p and this is much better than the webcam of your PC. Now aside this app over here, we can minimize it and then open our camera and it automatically connects with Camo. You can see Camo over there. So this works with all your apps. Any app you open that access the camera will be making use of our camera feed from Camo, which is coming from our phone. So basically this is how to connect your iPhone to your PC as a webcam. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.